I surrendered it.
And that's it, right? Surrendering. You have to surrender. I wrote about that yesterday because it just came in my spirit. Because we worry about so many things and try to control certain situations and to avoid probably being hurt or losing or whatever the case may be. But when you surrender that thing, God already knew. Ooh, I feel it. Ooh,
girl,
He already wrote the story.
Already,
He knew what was gonna happen.
Period.
And why He loved us so much? Why would He make it for our detriment?
Exactly.
Just let it happen. You suffer because you keep holding on. Surrender. Let God do what He gotta do, because it's gonna be so much ease and flow and happiness on the other side. Just let it go.
Hey y'all, so this is really what it looks like when you come to our salon. This is the feel, this is the vibe that you're gonna get. We're cool, down to earth, but we be talking real. So y'all, it's April showers. A lot has been going on after the solar eclipse and before that too, really, to be honest. And so I'm just ready for ascension at this point. So while I'm over here talking to her, I really do be talking to myself, but we just be so in alignment. I love the alignment with my clients. It gives me the chance to really minister to them and they minister to me, to be quite honest. So I'm so grateful for what I do. I love what I do. And so just enjoy this as I oil and rub down her scalp, y'all. Peace. Make sure to book or learn at www.angelicallynatural.com.
You heard what you said. You felt that pain and you would do it 10 times more. Go through the pain. Labor. Deliver. And when you see that beautiful thing, that first yawn, that first look, it's forgotten.
It's forgotten.
Because you got what you wanted.
You got your blessing. You don't even feel it in your body. You feel it nowhere. You like,
oh my God.
Focus.
So when that contraction's coming harder and fire and more, you right on the precipice of your blessing, baby. Right there. Baby. You ready to give birth. You ready to, oh, I felt that. Oh my God.
You are
stretching, getting ready. This is for preparation. For you to deliver. Oh my gosh.
It's almost
we right there. It's happening. We birthing that thing. I didn't even know. I wouldn't even be that upset. Look at me now. Look. And that's how it usually works.
That's how it works.
You look back and you be so grateful that that thing you wanted didn't happen.
Girl, when that blessing right on the brink of that, I'm being stretched.
After the storm comes the rainbow.
Come on, I'm being stretched so God can deliver.
Oh my gosh. That just reminds me the scripture when Jesus was on the boat with them. They were going through the storm. And he would try to take a nap. And they'd be like, it's done. It's the rainbow. All right, stop stressing. Just go through the storm. He let them go through the storm.
Come on, what are you doing?
And that's exactly how life is. Just go through it instead of fearing it or stop trying to stop it from coming. Because we do that too. Because we scared of the storm. We don't know what's in there. We don't know if we're going to make it out. We feel like we ain't going to make it out. And God is saying, if you have enough faith and belief in me, you ain't got to fear the storm, baby. Because the storm is for your blessing. The storm is set there for you to be blessed. You must go through it first and release all that stuff.
You are in the storm, but you are not of the storm. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You might be in it, but like he parted the Red Sea. He make a way through. He didn't just, let me suck all the water out of here.
And so that always,
extra safe.
I'm telling you. So every time you see that scripture, it never tells you that you will avoid it, that you will go around it, that it will miss you. It always says you're going to go right through it. You got to be sharpened by fire. Pressure creates diamonds. There's a reason for all those things. You got to go through.
That's the only way out, baby.
Yep, only way out. So when you're over here looking at Jesus, what y'all want me to do? You still gonna go through the storm.
The only way out is to deliver. Because when you go out, you're going to go in.
I love it.
Get close to it.
After you done went through the storm, you done learn how to ride the wave the next time. Hey, we know what's going to happen. I'm familiar with this. Let's go through that, baby. Ride this wave.
You be catching the waves. Figuring out how to make a wave.
Now you done built up enough faith and power in it that you know how to navigate that thing real well. You ain't even afraid.
You allow it to come.
You're being in an easier state of surrender in order to receive, because you can't receive unless you surrender.
Correct. That's so true.
Stop blocking your own damn blessing. People be talking about people being blessed blessing blocker. Sometimes you block your own damn blessing.
Absolutely.
Get out the way.
Hopefully you purify you.
All of that. That's what that's there for.
Yeah.
That's exactly what that's there for.
Let it all out.
It's preparation for your harvest.
Girl.
Can't get harvest without rain, honey.
Baby.
Think about it.
You won't grow without the rain.
I'm telling you, you need that.
That is so true.
Yep.
Oh my God. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Yeah, she's giving redhead every bit of it. And I'm loving this for her. Beautiful. She can rock whatever, man. Look at this. Look at the workmanship. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yes. Hey. That's what I'm talking about. Get it, girl. Swing to the bed. Let's see it. Yes. Shake your tail feather. Yes. Hey.